I think Prashant has also joined, so we can start. So, today we are going to cover program benefits management, right? It's another domain in our PGMP course. Now, before we discuss about program benefits management, right? Again, just a quick recap on what are outputs, outcomes, and benefits. Kapil, can you give me any example of outputs, outcomes, and benefits? Any example of, or Rafael, you can give me any example of outputs, outcomes, and benefits.
One example, well, the benefit could be like...
Start with outputs.
Okay. Increase the net promoter score.
That's a benefit, right? Or outcome. So output
because I'm working in the telecom sector, then I can give the example like output if I'm going to deploy any network, right? So network is the output.
Yeah.
Outcomes is the coverage part.
Yeah.
And the benefit that people use the services.
Increase, right?
Yeah.
Right. Increase in the response time. Right? Increase in the revenue for you also, right? Ultimately, yes or no? Right? Now, for example, right? Suppose the program is a digital transformation program, right? A program can be a digital transformation program, or let's say cloud transformation program, right? So output will be change in the overall infra, right? Change in the applications, right? The capabilities developed. That is what outputs, right? These are outputs, right? And what are outcomes, guys? What are outcomes? Increase in revenue, right? Or reduction in cost, increase in efficiency. These are all outcomes. And the measurable value of outcome is benefit, right? For example, when I say reduction in cost by 25%, or if I say increase in operational efficiency by 15%, that is what? Or improvement in quality in terms of this much, that is a benefit, right? Is that okay, guys? Is that okay, Rafael, Atul?
Yes. Yeah.
And yeah. Can I say?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're
audible here.
Yes. And benefits contribute to the strategy, right? See, the benefits ultimately contribute to the strategy, right? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Right. Now, see the relationship, right? Outputs, outcomes, benefits, and then contribution to the strategy. It can be read from left to right also, right? And it can be read from right to left as well. Right? When I say it can be read from left to right or right to left, what does it mean? What does it mean, guys? See, for example, when I am reading the whole relationship like outputs, outcomes, benefits, and then benefits contributing to the strategy, am I reading left to right? Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
For example, I have list of projects, right? Or set of related projects that will deliver outcomes, right? Measurable value of those outcomes is benefits, and they will contribute to strategy. Now, can we link this in a reverse manner also? For example, suppose I have strategic objectives. So think in a reverse manner. To achieve those strategic benefits, these benefits are required. And to achieve these benefits, these outcomes are required, right? And to achieve these outcomes, these outputs are required. Can we read it both left to right and right to left? Yes or no?
Yes.
One is a bottom-up approach, another is a top-down approach, right? And you might have to do both, bottom-up and top-down both, right? In the real-time business environment. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, see, many times you will see a term called as benefit map, right?
Mm-hmm.
Benefit map links outputs, outcomes, benefit, and strategy together, right?
Okay.
Is that okay? So I hope there is no confusion among you about outputs, outcomes, benefits, and strategy, right? Is that
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Right? See, a strategy is achieved when some benefits are achieved, right? Now, see, as I told you, the focus of program is what? What is the focus of program? To deliver outputs or to maximize the value or benefits. Programs are always benefit focused, right? Yes or no? And these benefits can be tangible or intangible. Example of tangible benefits are an 18% increase in revenue, right? Or a 50% reduction in response time, right? Intangible benefits are improved sales prospects, right? Improved customer satisfaction, right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Right? But as a good practice, right? You should try to have every benefit a tangible one, right? See, if you cannot measure something in terms of absolute value, measure it in terms of relative value, right? For example, on a scale of 10. Is that fine? Is that fine, guys?
Yes.
Right? And if I want to categorize the benefits at a very macro level, right? The benefits can be related to efficiency. So, efficiency, right? There can be efficiency related benefits. Right? There can be effectiveness related benefits. Right? And there can be economic benefits, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, can you give me one example of each? The efficiency benefit, the effectiveness benefit, or economic benefits? Give me one example of each. Efficiency, right? Now, okay, I'll ask the easiest one. Give me any example of economic benefit, right? One is written in front of you right now. When I say 18% increase in revenue, is it an economic benefit, Rafe?
Yes. Yeah.
Right? Now, if I say, right, if I have some benefits related to improvement in quality or improvement in performance, right? For example, improvement in resolution time, response time, or decrease in number of defects leaked to the customer, is it an effectiveness benefit or not?
Yes.
Right? A benefit that leads to improvement in the quality. It's an effectiveness benefit. Is that okay? Right. Now, can you give me an example of efficiency benefits? Efficiency is, less number of resources doing more amount of work, right?
Right.
Right. So that is the efficiency benefit, right? Reduction in cost, revenue improvement, they're economic. Anything related to improvement in quality or processes comes under efficiency. And effectiveness and efficiency is more about less people doing more amount of work, right? Improvement in productivity is a efficiency benefit. Is that okay?
Right.
Is that okay, guys?
It's a very thin layer difference between efficiency and effectiveness. Like I'm taking an
See,
example.
I'll tell you, ultimately, if you link them, efficiency and effectiveness benefit will eventually give you economic benefit, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right? And they're related. See, for example, a better quality actually leads to better efficiency also, directly or indirectly, right? Yes or no? And efficiency is not about simply doing less people doing more work. It's all about less people doing more work with a better quality, right? So they're linked, right? Right? So
Is it product? If I'm going to reduce any product fault rate, right?
Effectiveness benefit, right? But it leads to increase in efficiency also.
Yes.
Right? Because in a given time frame, you have more number of products, right?
But eventually this will improve my margin as well, right?
Yes.
Less
Yes.
cost, improve
See,
in margin.
if not margin, right? If not margin, at least revenue would be improved.
Yeah, revenue will be increased. Yeah, of course. Sorry.
See, your margin per product may not go up, but total revenue and
Total revenue will
and
improve, right?
profitability can also go up, right? Is that okay, guys? Now see,
Yeah, where I need to park the brand, like branding of
very good, very
organization,
good.
right? It's a tangible or intangible
See,
benefit?
I'll tell you, it's an intangible, but don't simply write improved branding, right? That's what I'm saying. See, even with intangible benefits, don't say improved customer, right, satisfaction or improved sales prospect or improved branding, right? See, you can use a relative scale of 10, right? So suppose, on a scale of 10, it was 6 earlier, now it is 8. So, specify that scale. Use a scale for it as well, right? For intangible benefits also, right? I think using a scale is better.
Okay.
Right? You can quantify, but relative scale, right? Is that okay? Because see, suppose you benchmark current situation at 6 on a scale of 10, right? And you become 8 on a scale of 10. So, you can measure the improvement also, right? Which is 2 upon 6 into 100, roughly 30% improvement, right? So that way, it is always beneficial to quantify, right? Even intangible benefits. Tangible, you will definitely quantify, right? But quantify intangible as well, right? You can't do it on absolute scale, but do it on relative scale. Right? Atul, Rafael, Prashant, do you agree with this?
Yeah.
Right? Now, when I talk about program benefit management, right? The overall benefit management is divided into 5 stages, right? And it is very important to understand all these 5 stages, right? Very, very properly, right? Now, in all these stages, we'll do different functions, and we have some important documents which are managed in all the stages, right? The first stage, right, in
Sir,
benefits.
if you have any benefit management, sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You have any benefit register, any
Yes,
prepared one, so we can
multiple.
see the
No,
values
I'll show
put
multiple.
against
First,
tangible and intangible values?
yeah. So I'll show you. I'll show you. Can I first
Okay.
take you through the entire process? Then I'll show you a empty benefit register also and filled benefit register also. I'll show you a empty benefit
Yeah,
management
that
plan
will be great.
also
Yeah.
and filled also, right? Both. I'll show you both, right? Now,
Okay. Okay. Sorry to cut you short. Yeah.
no, no, no,
Continue,
no, no,
please.
no, no, no. I think this is a very relevant thing, right? See, because without seeing the content, right, you will not be able to even develop better understanding, right? So, good question, Prashant, right?
Yeah.
Now, see, can you see 5 stages of benefit management, program benefits management, right? These stages are benefit identification, right? Benefit analysis and planning, benefit delivery, benefit transition, and benefit sustainment, right? Can you see 5 stages, guys? I'm again repeating these 5 stages. Benefit identification, benefit analysis and planning, benefits delivery, right? Benefits transition, and benefits sustainment, right? Is that okay? Is that okay, guys?
Yes.
Now, when I say benefit identification, right? Remember we learned about program life cycle. Benefit identification, actually, it starts very early in the program formulation phase, right? Right? Even at a business case level, which is a very initial document to be developed, you should know some benefits, right? So, and the key document, see, the basic purpose of this benefit identification is to identify and qualify business benefits, right? Now, you identify all the benefits of a program, right? And you capture them in a document called as benefits register. Is that okay? Right? Now, a very simple benefit register will be like this. A very, very simple one, right? I'll show you filled one also. This is a very simple benefit register, right? I'll show you other ones also, right? With a completely filled data. So the first step is, right, during the program formulation phase, right, you start capturing the benefits, right? Is that okay? And this stage is called as benefit identification from the perspective of benefits management life cycle, right? In terms of program benefits
The
management,
whole
this is called as,
process,
yeah, right? So in the benefit
sorry,
identification,
the
yeah,
whole process, the whole process of 5 stages that you just
yes.
exhibited, that belongs to the delivery phase, right? So a
No, no,
benefit
no,
register
no,
preparation
no,
will be
no, no, no,
started
no, no.
along with the business case.
Yeah, see, I'll tell
Hmm.
you. If you talk about benefit identification, it starts with program definition, program
Hmm.
formulation, right? Now, just like projects, programs are also progressively elaborated, right? Now, benefit register, initial benefit register. See, this is this is not a one-time document, right? Now,
Hmm.
later, when you know about program in details, right? For example, in program planning or program preparation, when you have created your benefit management plan, which is a detailed plan, by the time you reach here, you might have further more information about the benefits. So you go back and change the benefits benefits register, right? So whether it's
No,
a
where we
benefit,
will capture it
see, I'll tell you, this benefit
at
register
the
is
program
not,
formulation phase. Yeah.
yes, first time in program formulation, first time, right? But this is not a static document.
Hmm.
This document is continuously updated throughout the program lifecycle, right?
Yeah,
This is
I understand.
this
Yeah.
is not a
Hmm.
static document. It's a continuous document, right? Now, how does it look in terms of when it contains data, right? Now, it can contain some other fields also. For example, benefits should be mapped to the projects that will be delivered, right? For example, you can show a linking between components and benefits here, right? So I'll show you some better ones, right? This is a very high
Hmm.
level benefit register, right? So this is what you do in the first stage of benefits management. You identify the benefits and you capture them in a benefit register, right?
Okay,
Now,
we create the benefit register at this stage only, right?
yes,
We
yes, yes.
start
The
from here.
first, the first version is created at the program formulation level, but it is not a final version, Prashant,
Mm.
right?
Yeah,
It is
I understand. That I get you. That I get
perfect,
you.
perfect, continuously updated, right?
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
the second, now see, as you move forward towards, by the time you reach program planning or program preparation, by then you have all the relevant documents like program plan, program roadmap, program charter, right? And you have a better insight into the program, right? Now, at this level, right, apart at program preparation or program planning level, right, you also create another very important document which is called as benefit realization plan. Now, see, in your exam, sometimes they will call it as a benefit realization plan. Sometimes they will call it as a benefit management plan, right? In the exam questions, they are all same, right? Is that okay? Now, what is a benefit management plan? A, a benefit management plan is a very, very detailed plan, right?
Mhm.
This is not only about the benefits, it is also about how the benefit should be managed, right? How the benefit should be assessed, how they should be updated, and who is responsible for what, for each benefits, and what all components contribute to all the benefits, and how the benefits will contribute to the strategy. So overall end-to-end process is managed in, right, benefit management plan or benefit realization plan, which is a part of benefits and analysis and planning, right? Now, by the time you reach benefits analysis and and planning, right, you have a better insight into the program benefits, right? You might refine the benefits, right? You might refine the KPIs associated with the benefit. You might define the metrics or the value associated with the benefits, right? Now, at this stage, when you refine the benefits, right, you will again refine the benefit registers, right? Benefit register also along with the benefit management plan or benefit realization plan. Is that okay?
Mm.
Right? So right now my focus is benefit identification and benefit analysis and planning. Right? Now, guys, right? Before I go further into benefit delivery, benefit transition, and benefit sustainment phase, can I show you Guys, can I show you a sample benefit register and benefit management plan? Right? Can we see a sample plan? Right? Let's see a sample
Yes,
plan
please.
filled with the data. Right? Is my screen visible to all of you? Is it visible? Sorry.
Yeah, Pankaj, visible.
Sorry. Now, first I'm showing you simple benefit register, right? Right? Can you see simple program benefit register? Right? Now, because of lack of space and, I wanted to show you everything, right? Each and every field, I have done it, right? I have done it horizontally in terms of rows, but you can create a tabular format, right? Now, suppose my program is this, right? So now this is a benefit register for a digital transformation program. Can you see a digital transformation program in front of you guys? Rafael, Atul, can you see a digital transformation program?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now, these are different benefits.
Mhm.
Benefits 1, 2, 3, right? 4
Um,
and 4, right? Now, can we go through the contents? Like, for example, the benefit one is
Customer
increase
retention. Yeah.
customer retention, right? Can you see increase customer retention?
Right.
This is one of the benefit of a digital transformation program, right? So you will write a description, improve customer loyalty through AI-driven personalization in e-commerce, right? Now, type, it's a tangible and financial benefit. Now, see, in a benefit register, it will always be good to specify who owns the benefit. The owner of this benefit is marketing director, right? Now, how does it align to the overall strategy? It support the strategic goal of enhancing customer experience, right? Now, yeah, yeah. Measurement metric, customer retention rate, percent. For example, how much customer retention is improved through this metric, right? Now, baseline value, 68%, right? Now, for example, 68% now, right now, buy from my website, right? My e-commerce website. Now, target value is after implementing this project, right? The target value is that 88, we should achieve a retention, right? Customer retention of 80% within 18 months, right? And expected realization date for this is Q4 2026, right? There are some dependencies and assumptions. For example, requires successful implementation of AI personalization engine, right? And see, again, benefit register is not simply a plan, right? It should be also used to track the actual realization with respect to plan. So, you will write status, right? Whether it is on track, right, or not on track, right? You can either write a status like this, or you can use, indicators like green, amber, and red, right? Yeah, you were asking something,
KPI,
right? See, KPI I have
K,
been target value, right? This is a KPI only, right? Is it a KPI or not?
okay,
Right? Now, just a
yes,
question,
this is a KPI.
just a question out of curiosity, right? What is the difference between a KPI and a matrix, right? Both are data, right? How a
Yes.
KPI means key performance indicators, right? And a matrix.
Hmm.
What is the difference between KPI and matrix? Can anybody tell me?
Same, some, like target value, like it is mentioned here, has to be mentioned and drive through to achievement.
Now, my question to all of you guys, this is important, right? These terms are important for you to understand. KPI versus metric, right? What is the difference? Right? Can anyone try? What is the difference between KPI and metric? Tell me, guys, KPI versus metric. What is the difference? Atul, would you try the difference between KPI versus metric?
Metric, somewhere we can say that measurement and
Both,
KPI,
I'll tell you.
which is
I'll tell you. Both are measurements,
right.
right? But when I say key performance improvement, right? Right?
Right.
I'm sorry. Key performance indicator, right? This is linked to the goals.
Right.
Measurement which is linked to a goal is a KPI, right? And metric is any measurement. Tell me, is every measurement in a program or project linked to a goal? Is no, right? Is every measurement linked to the goal?
No.
No, right? For example, attendance. There can be some casual metrics also, right? Which are not linked to the goal, right?
Yeah.
So metric is any measurement, right? For example, every KPI is a metric, but every metric is not a KPI, right?
Right.
Is that okay? Atul,
Yes. Yeah.
so is the difference clear? Atul, Rafael,
Yes. 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 Yeah.
right? Prashant, are you okay with the difference? Prashant, are you okay with the difference?
Yes, yes. So this one more question here.
Yeah.
This benefit register will have the metric value or KPI
See,
because it is linked to strategic plan.
no, I'll tell you. See, this is a very important document, right? This is a very critical document, right? See, you can capture some other metric, but for sure it should have a key. This is like, see, if you see baseline value 68 and target value 80%, this is direct, right? This is a direct improvement.
Yes.
It's a KPI, right?
Yeah.
Metric can be a
So,
very
so
casual.
Pankaj, can we say the KPI is a measurement of performance at the smaller level, while the metrics horizon a bit on wider level?
See, I'll tell you, but see, KPI is focused towards the goal. It can be a strategic goal or a tactical goal. You always link it with the goal, right? For example, profitability, right? If the goal is to increase the profitability, anything related to NPV will be a KPI or not,
Yes.
right? So if net promoter score, it's a KPI, right? And every KPI is a metric also, right, Kapil?
Yes, you're right.
But every metric is not a KPI,
But
right?
in my view, net promoter score should be a metric.
No, it should be it's a metric and KPI both. See, every
Yeah,
KPI
exactly,
is a
right.
metric.
So, because under net promoter score, there are so many KPI which make it to net
Yes,
promoter
that's
score,
okay.
right?
That's okay. See, KPI can have other KPIs also.
Exactly.
We'll call it as a KPI because see, it's not a casual matrix. See, but sometimes we capture casual metrics also, right? For example, how the expenses of team towards the food, right? Suppose I'm providing food facility, the expenses of team towards the food, it's the casual data, right? Not linked to the goal. So if I capture any data, right, that is okay required for my knowledge, but it is not contributing to the goal, it can be a matrix. So that's why I said every KPI is a metric, but every metric is not a KPI, right? Is that okay? Because KPI will always be linked to a strategic or tactical goal, right?
Sir, this benefit 1, 2, 3, 4 is delivering a bigger picture, which is linked to the goal, right? Objective to the strategic plan. Now, strategic plan tracking the benefits should have metric or KPI because it is linked to goal, but it is not directly linking to goal, but it is summing up.
No, see, I'll tell you. It should track KPIs. Whatever is there in the benefits register is a KPI, and you should track it very well. It's not a casual metric.
Oh, KPI, okay.
Right?
Yeah, okay.
Right.
And as well as this KPI will be defined in the benefit realization plan as well, right?
It can be refined
against each benefit there as well.
Yeah. So actually, what happens, you refine it in the benefit realization plan, then you come back and further refine it here in the benefits register, right? Because initially, when you prepare the first version of benefit register, it might be very raw, right? So
Yeah.
these values are actually constantly aligned, right?
Yeah, it will be realigned gradually.
Yeah. Because initial stage, you know pretty much less about the program, right? Is that fine?
Yeah.
Now, see, this is a simple benefit register. See, if you are in a position to identify projects, right, at this level, or sometimes you might be in a position, you might have identified the projects also, right? Then P1, P2, P3, P4, some projects will contribute to this value, right? So you can mention those projects also, list of the components or list of the project, right? You can have a separate field here, right? Nobody stops you from refining it further, right? So it all depends on the type of the program, right? See, for example, in some programs, right from the beginning, you might know list of all the projects. There may be a program where you, at the initial level, you might not know even a single project in the beginning, right? So, and there might be a program where you know the initial list and the list will be elaborated as you move forward, right? So there are different types of program. Is that fine? So can we see some other registers also?
Just one question before we move forward.
Yeah.
In project charter and business case, we put the success criteria.
Yes.
In business case, we put the success criteria against the outcomes we are expecting, right?
Yeah.
In business case, and in project charter as well, we define the success criteria against the benefits.
Yeah.
In project charter, so those success criteria is it equal to the KPI which we are tracking against the benefit here, and
Multiple.
when the KPI.
Yes. See, I'll tell you. Even for this program, right, which is the digital transformation program, there are multiple. We just went through one benefit. There are other benefits also, right? Now, success criteria can include all the KPIs related to benefits plus many more, right? For example, the program timelines should be met, right? No slippage, right? Program should be within budget. There can be other areas also, right? When I say success criteria, it should be benefits for sure, right? Every benefits achieved should be a very important area here, right? Plus, apart from this, in success criteria, we should talk about time performance also, cost performance also, right? We should also talk about, how close we are with respect to the business case, right? Yes or no?
So that is not linked to the strategic goal. That is a simple metric, right? Casual metric we are tracking there in project charter as success criteria.
Oh, sir, I'll tell you. Tell me, guys, just one question to all of you, Rafael, Prashant, Kapil, and Atul. Tell me, if there is any change in the program roadmap because of slippage, right, or because of any dependency-related issue, if the program roadmap or overall program schedule delays, will it have impact on the program benefits or not?
Yes.
Right? See, it will delay the benefit realization.
Yeah.
Rafael, are you okay with this? See, if the program is delayed, that means benefit realization is delayed, right, Prashant? Yes or no?
Obviously, sir, obviously. It is all linked.
Right? So they're all linked. So, when you say program time, program cost, they are not metric, they're KPIs. Because they will straight away impact the benefits and strategy. Right? And, if program roadmap change, you have to update the benefit realization plan also. Right?
Yeah.
Program roadmap change, you have to change the program management plan and then benefit realization plan also, right? And the business case as well, right? All these are very dynamic documents, specifically when you're talking about volatile business environment, right? In a volatile business environment, in a turbulent or changing business environment, in a VUCA world, even strategy is somewhat volatile, right? Even the strategy might change, right? So that's why, realignment of strategy is also very, very important. Now, can we see another benefit, guys? Now, operation.
Pankaj, if I need to see, this difference between KPI and matrix, and like the normal terminology what we are using on daily basis: profitability, efficiency, gross
KPIs,
margin, cash flow, working capital days, right?
EBITDA, right?
EBITDA, right? So can I say
They're
the gross
KPIs.
margin,
They're
working
KPIs.
capital days, or
They're all KPIs.
है ना? The all are KPI or metrics? In my view, it's
KPIs. KPIs. See, how much for example, suppose, on, if you take a metric like, a timesheet metric, a timesheet data, right? How many hours Kapil is working or Prashant is working, and what is the attendance of Kapil or Prashant, or how many hours Kapil is spending in office, right? See, you have a work from home facility, right, Kapil? So how many hours Kapil spend in office and how many hours he work from home? Is it a matrix or not? But is it
yes.
linked to, but it is not linked to any goal, right? So this is a metric, right? See, all the KPIs are metrics, but every metric will not be a KPI, right?
KPI, yes, yeah, right.
Is that okay, guys? Is the difference clear? Right? For example, you can see another benefit in the benefit register: reduce cost by migrating legacy infrastructure to cloud, right? This is also a part of, right, the digital transformation program, right? This is a financial benefit. Owner is chief information officer of the organization. Alignment, it supports strategic goal of cost efficiency, right? This might be one of the goal. So this cost reduction will align to this goal. Now, the measurement metric or a KPI is annual IT operational cost in $1 million. Baseline value is what? 20 million, right? Currently, the spend is 20 million and we have to improve it. Now, target value is 14 million by the end of 2026. So how much we have to reduce? We have to reduce cost by $6 million, right? By the end of 2026. Now, expected realization date Q3. See, this should happen by quarter third of 2026, right? Now, some of the dependencies and assumptions are smooth vendor transition, no major downtime, and the status is at risk, right? Now, see, when at risk means it's red, right? So again, in the benefit register, we'll not only put benefits, we'll track also. Is that okay, Prashant? Is that okay, Prashant?
Yes, I got you.
Right. So these are some of the fields, right?
It's not limited to. We can further refine it.
It is not limited to, right? You can add, as I told you, list of components. And how it, see, you can also link, you can put strategic objective. This is something we have done also, right? So we have linked all the benefits to strategic objectives also, right? Now, another benefit of this digital transformation program is, right, improved regulatory compliance. Can you see improved regulatory compliance, guys? This is also another benefit, right? Now, all these benefits will be in the same benefit register. I am showing all the fields in rows, but it should be vertical, right? Now, description. Strengthen cybersecurity framework to meet new regulation. Type is intangible, right? Risk reduction and compliance. Owner, chief risk officer, alignment, supports strategic goal of enhancing compliance and trust. Measurement matrix is percentage of regulatory requirement met, right? Baseline value is 70%. Target value is 100% compliance by second quarter of 2026. And the expected realization date is quarter 2, 2026. Now, dependency and assumption, we have mentioned, dependent on successful implementation of compliance monitoring tool. And the status is on track, right? You have to continuously monitor status also. Is that okay?
What do you mean by baseline value, Pankaj? Baseline value to what? Business case?
See, sometimes we talk about project baselines, right? This is not the baseline. It is not baseline in that context. See, when you talk about project baselines,
Okay.
right? When you call program schedule baselines, project schedule baselines, program cost baselines, right? It is not that baseline. Those baselines are targets to be achieved, right? But here, this baseline means current performance level. And against this, we have to improve. The current situation is how much is the, right? 70% is the compliance at current, and we have to increase it to 100%, which means 30% improvement, right?
Okay.
Right? Is that okay? So, here baseline means where are we as of now?
Okay. So actual spending is coming for that program, right?
Yeah. So this is where are we, baseline value, and this target value is where do we want to be? Is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Now, Rafael, are you okay with the benefits register?
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Thanks.
So is baseline value and target value clear? Atul, are you okay with these two? And the whole benefit register?
Yes.
Perfect. Right? Now, there can be benefit 4, which is employee, right? Which can be employee productivity increase, right? And again, right? Introduce digital collaboration platform to improve team efficiency. Again, it's a tangible and non-financial benefit. Owner is HR director, right? Alignment supports strategic goal of workforce modernization. Measurement metric, average project delivery cycle time. What is the baseline value? 6 months. And target value is 4 months by Q4 2026, right? And expected realization date is this much. Dependency and assumption are mentioned here, right? And the status is emerging, right? Now, these were some of the benefits within the benefits register, right? Now, can I take you through benefit realization plan or benefits management plan? Can we go through some of the contents and templates of benefit management plan, guys? Right? Now, benefit management plan is prepared later, right? It starts in the program planning or program preparation phase, right, of the program definition. Now, it talks about benefits. It also talks about how the benefits are achieved, who are responsible, right, and how you are going to achieve and how you are going to manage changes to the benefits, right? It's an overall approach for managing the benefits. I'm sharing a sample benefit management plan for the same program for which we have created the benefits register, which is a digital transformation program, right? Can you see this plan? Right? So in the plan, you will put purpose, you will put the strategic alignment. These are the strategic goals. Enhance customer experience and retention, achieve cost efficiency through digital solutions, strengthen cybersecurity and regulatory compliance, modernize workforce and digital collaboration. These are what? Strategic goals, right? These 4 are strategic goals, right? Now, the benefits identified that can contribute to the goals are these, right? Which will be now, see, I have not mentioned them explicitly, right? Because there are some benefits in the benefit register also. These are the list of benefits. Increased customer retention via AI personalization, operational cost reduction through cloud migration, improved regulatory compliance, increased employee productivity, and I have shown the details of these benefits in the benefit register, right, that I showed you previously. All the details are there, right? Now, it can contain benefit categorization like tangible, non-tangible, right? And within tangible, financial, non-financial, and the benefit measurement process, right? And the metrics to be captured. Each benefit will be tracked using key performance indicators. So which metric should be captured in benefit register? Your benefit management plan will tell you. Your benefit management plan is more like a rules of the game, right? For managing the benefits. The benefit realization timeline is mentioned here, right? For the short term, medium term, and long term benefits. The roles and responsibility of people who will be involved in benefits management is also mentioned here, right? The roles of program manager, the benefit owners, the PMO, the executive sponsor, and the entire benefit realization process will be mentioned here, right? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Right. For example, what all you will do in all the 6 stages, right? And then you can put risks. Now these are the risks to the benefits, right? And the assumption, and the benefit reporting and governance mechanism is also mentioned in the benefits management or benefits realization plan. Now, any doubt, any question about any content of this benefit realization plan, guys? Any question, guys? Any content?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
So can we go back to the PPT and see the whole benefits management process now?
Yes.
Right. Now, see, I have shown a sequence here. Sequence is only relevant for, starting, but it is an iterative process, right? For example, you identify, capture benefits in the benefit register. You have more insight available by the time you reach benefit analysis and planning, right? You will go back and update the benefit register, right? Is that okay? Now, the important phases, right? Benefit delivery, benefit transition, and benefit sustainment, right? These 3 are very important, right? What is benefit delivery, right? What is benefit delivery, benefit transition, and benefit sustainment, right? Now, if you look at benefit delivery almost happens in parallel with the program benefit delivery, right? Program benefits delivery is a phase in program lifecycle, and this is the stage. Benefits delivery is the stage of program's benefit management, right? Right? Yes or no? Now, just a question to all of you. What do you do in program benefits delivery? This is one of the life cycle stage, right? If you talk about program life cycle, right? Program life cycle will have program definition, benefit delivery, and program closure, right? Right? Now tell me, what do you do in program benefits delivery? What do you do here in the program benefits delivery, guys? Tell me. How many done? What do you do in program benefits delivery?
It basically cover the overall project life cycle.
Yes. Yes. Let's just stop here, right? See, yes, absolutely. Projects, right? Suppose you have projects P1 within a program, you have projects P1, P2,
and P3.
up to whatever, right? Now, programs are initiated and closed here, right? Yes or no? Now, when I say programs are initialized and closed here, right? Now, does closing the program also include program transition?
Execution, right?
Sorry. I'm sorry. Projects are initiated and closed here, right? Right. Project closure means project transition also.
Yeah, it includes the project transition. Yeah.
Right. Right. So tell me, will some level of benefit realization start here? How it will impact, right? Some level.
Yeah.
Or the actual benefit can only start at program transition. Individual project related transition benefit realization will start here, right? In the program benefits delivery.
But that will decide by the benefit register, right? Okay, whatever baseline we consider and where we are expecting that realization is going to be happening.
Yeah, but again, you see again, a benefit register is saying something. It's a plan, but you may or might not achieve it, right? So what I'm trying to say is, in the benefit delivery, right, we primarily monitor components. when I say components in PgMP context, components can be a project or a sub-program. Now tell me why monitor components? Because if any of these get delayed, right, will the benefits will be delayed or not?
Yeah, adverse impact.
In fact, if any of them is delayed or become over budget, business case might become unviable, right? So primary purpose of this program benefit delivery is governance, to monitor, direct projects within the program so that they deliver the benefits expected out of them, right? So maintaining the benefit register, obviously constantly will update the status, right, of the benefit register with respect to the plan that you have set, right? You have set actual and target dates, right? Now you should be, target dates are set, right? Baselines are set. So you will measure actual with respect to the target, right? So you will constantly update the benefit register with the actual, right? And reporting the benefits. You can have a benefit report, right? A summary report. So this is what that happens in benefit delivery. Is that okay?
Yep.
So any question here? So projects are started, projects are closed, right? In benefits delivery, components are monitored and governed to ensure that they are within time, within budget, and they align to the strategy, right? If you might have to eliminate a component here which is not contributing to the strategy, or you might have to de-scope that component, right? Now, based on the benefit realization of the individual projects, you will update the benefit register with the actual values, right? There's an actual column there, right? And you will report the benefits, right? At various points. You can create a summary report for benefits here. That is benefits delivery. Now, the next phase is benefits transition. Now, what is benefits transition, guys? Right? Its benefit transition is about consolidate the coordinated benefits. Now, what does it mean? Is it overall program benefits?
It
Yes
could
or
be
no?
overall program benefit as well as that completed projects or program benefit, right?
Yes, yes. That will be, the overall program benefits will be based on the completed project benefits, right?
Completed projects.
Consolidating all, right?
Consolidated, yes.
And you are transitioning the ongoing responsibility to the
Operation team.
operations, right?
Yeah.
Is that okay? This is benefits transition,
Right.
right?
Yeah.
Now, then it's a benefit sustainment. Now, tell me, after the program is closed, should benefits be sustained or not?
Yes, because
Because program is a large effort.
right.
It's a huge effort. Now, it might be possible that when tomorrow the program team is not there,
Right. Yeah.
the operations may not be able to manage.
Correct.
Right? So when you are at transition level, should you create a benefit sustainment plan or not?
Yes.
Right? On how operations team will handle the change. Is that okay or not?
Yeah.
Right? Now, see, benefit sustainment activity will happen after the closure of the program. Right? Right? So the actual activities of benefit sustainment is outside the program life cycle. But the benefit sustainment plan should be developed within program life cycle.
So during the closure phase, we can say that.
Yes. During the handover phase, right?
Handover, HOTO time, yeah. Hypercare or HOTO time, yes.
Yeah. So you should have a sustainment plan also, right?
Right.
For example,
Yeah.
tomorrow when the program team is not there, how the benefits will be sustained. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, guys, just I have to do some work. I'll take a break of 2 minutes only, right? I have to give one injection to my mom. Now, what you can do is, I don't want you to sit idle, right? Now, among yourself, you can discuss the overall program benefits management, all the stages, along with the program life cycle, right? Then once I'm back, if you have any queries, we can discuss those, right? Right? So just 2 minutes, within 2 minutes, I'll be back. Right? In the meanwhile, you can just go through all these stages once again, right?
Okay. Rafael, any comment on this since you are managing large program now?
Guys, I'm going away for 5 minutes. Yeah, I will be back.
Okay.
Are you going to submit the application, Atul? Or you're planning to do it?
I'm planning to do it, but in this March month, actually, a lot of things happening. Because I got the that my flight here in Mumbai and a lot of things I have to do. That is why I'm thinking to at least postpone in April.
Yeah, application is one thing, right? And
Right?
then
Yeah.
application after application approval, that
Yeah.
require another couple of weeks, right?
Couple of weeks, right? But
Then
payment
study.
when we have to pay the fees after.
Yes, exactly, right. So in my
Yeah.
view, I was supposed to ask Pankaj if we can submit the application tomorrow, because considering the Holi festival, it's a
Right. Yeah.
good break and we can submit the application, right?
Right. Yeah.
That is my view.
Yes. I think I'm also agree on that. Yes. So Kapil, how?
And the good thing is that when I'm going through the content of this PgMP, right? It's basically having 6 chapter, right?
Yeah, 5 chapter, I believe, right?
5 chapter. Out of 5 chapter, I think we are in 3rd chapter.
Yeah, it's 3rd, I believe. 3rd or 2nd. Yeah, 3rd.
The first one was the strategic program alignment, which contribute in exam 15%. The program life cycle management, which contribute 44%.
That's good.
And the benefit alignment is 11%. And the next one is stakeholder and governance, which contributes 16 and subsequently 14%.
After actually the training, I didn't get much time to start the reading. Actually, my habit is not to read with this Kindle or anything.
Media,
Digital media. So I prefer to read through the book. Even during my PMP preparation, I bought the PMP book.
No.
PMBOK, yeah. So that's
anyway,
what.
you were saying something, right?
Yeah, I was saying something at the. Yeah. So how's Ericsson doing actually? Not yet now.
In what sense?
Managed services.
I think in terms of managed services, we are very selective. We are having the profitability. We are going with that business only.
So now you people are not much supporting like Geo. Very few circle you are doing, right?
No. We are not doing the managed services. We are doing only the deployment, network rollout points, and the services, right?
Okay.
So we are having almost 16 circle where we are responsible for 5G deployment, including RAN and events.
Okay.
We already deploy more than 100K sites in a span of 12 months across 16 circle, right? So those kind of expansion and the additional requirements in terms of capacity are coming, right?
Right. And then what about
managed services? We are doing only the first level operation and the second level operation for Bharati.
Bharati only, okay.
Other than we are having outside India like DG Malaysia, ETEC Thailand, and then Telestra, NB in Australia.
Okay.
And Southeast Asia में तो यही है, and then we are responsible for Middle East as well, and
Middle East as well, yeah.
Yeah, America.
That's good actually.
But in a nutshell, where we are having the profitability, we are doing the managed services only that part of the world.
So, Noida Sector 16 office now is moving to somewhere else. I
Yeah.
heard
Now it moved to sector 17, 17.
17 near to city center, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Actually, my one of cousin is working, so he informed me that Abhishek Yadav.
Mhm.
Hmm,
Okay.
yeah. So you are sitting where?
I base out Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
I'm
Okay. Okay.
looking after the entire northern region, in terms of
No.
deployment, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
majority of the time travel is there. Like
Is there?
yesterday only, I came from Lucknow, right?
Oh, that's
I
great.
used to
So,
plan to Rajasthan, Jaipur, right? So
so Lucknow Airtel or for Jio?
it's a geo, right?
Jio. Okay.
It's a quite big network. Second among top five revenue circle for geo.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So Jio in Lucknow, to whom you have met, like,
We are having CTO like Vivek Bhushan is the CTO, and
okay, okay.
then before that it was Bhupendra Singh, but
Mm-hmm.
he passed
Yeah.
away 6 months back.
Yeah.
So there are so many stakeholders.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. There is a few my past colleagues are there, like Vaibhav sir, Vaibhav Dubey is there, right? And
Vaibhav Yadav is in
Vaibhav
UP
Dubey,
West.
Vaibhav Dubey, and
Usually I'm interacting with the CTO and the deployment head
Sip.
and the deputy
Okay,
CTO part, right?
okay,
So
okay, okay.
not sure okay,
Mm-hmm.
under which domain he is working.
Yeah, he was the project director there, I believe.
Hmm,
Yeah,
नहीं फिर मैं नहीं मिला उनसे.
नहीं मिला. Okay.
Overall deployment has is Ravindra Sharma for
Dharmendra
UPs,
Sharma, right?
and then Indrajit
Mm-hmm.
Singh in UP West,
Yeah.
and then Anil in
And do you
Uttarakhand.
know William sir also? I mean, he was retired from Ericsson now from India.
Yeah, he is working as a consultant in UK. I know him very well. I was the
Yeah.
MSCO for Telenor Myanmar Vietnam Mobile.
Mm-hmm.
He was the MSCO for Reliance Jio. Right.
Yeah, I just checking Ericsson people, so I just saw William sir number.
Yeah, I know many.
Yeah, he's very nice person actually. Yeah. I got opportunity to work with him at least 2.5 years in Mumbai.
I think Pankaj is back.
Yes. Mm.
Right, can we start with some questions?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, Pankaj.
Right, we'll start with some questions that will clarify your benefits also, your doubts also on benefits management. So first question is, what is primary goal of program benefits management? What is the primary goal? Ishant, can you try?
See,
So do you all agree?
See,
C,
yeah. Yes. Yeah.
right? Ensure strategic business value is realized, right? Do you all
Right.
agree with C, Charlie?
Yes.
Right. Now, sorry. What document define how program benefits will be realized, measured?
Alpha.
No, how? See, it is talking about rules of the game.
Okay, how?
C.
C, right?
Yeah.
It's
Charlie.
talking about entire approach. So C, right? It's about rules of the game, right? How benefits will be realized, measured, and sustained, right? Now, the next question. Now, which phase of benefits management involves integrating program outcomes into business operations?
D.
Integrating program
A.
outcomes.
Transition. Program transition.
Transition, boss.
Transition. Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Sustained is
Yeah.
beyond. Sustained is beyond this, right?
Beyond. Yes. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Right? Now, what is purpose of benefits register? It's like a risk register or any other register which captures, right, and identifies. So what should be the answer here?
B or B, I believe.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Do
Bravo.
you all agree, bravo? Yes or no?
Yes.
Which of the following is not a key aspect of benefit realization? See,
Benefit reporting.
it's not a, yeah, it's
Yeah.
not a phase.
Yeah.
What does a program manager do if a project within program does not align with the expected benefits? Now you have to answer
C.
with a given string, right?
Hey, Charlie.
C. Yes. Yeah.
And realign the project with the strategic objectives, right?
Right. Yeah.
Now tell me, what will this include? What will be the final outcome? Guys, what will be the final outcome of C?
Uh,
See, can it lead to premature closure also?
yeah.
It can
Yes.
be. It can be.
It can lead to de-scoping the project,
Yes.
or it can lead to change request also, right?
Right. Yeah.
But premature means
That you don't need it anymore. See, for example, a project, you can't do anything. It's better to close it.
then it can be A as well.
This is only, see, it's not, see, A covers only one aspect, right? This may or may not, but when I say assess and realign the project with strategic objective, that includes all the possible situations, all the possible ways to handle this, right? So, in order to align it with the expected benefits, you might have to add something to the scope, or you might have to remove something from the scope, or you might have to change the direction a little bit, or you may have to terminate, right? So this is only one case.
Okay.
Right? So the better answer is C, Charlie. Is that okay?
Yep.
When should benefit realization planning begin?
Closure phase?
No, benefit realization planning.
Okay.
Start of C, I believe, right?
At the start of the program life
Yeah,
cycle.
see, when you create benefit register in the formulation phase only, right?
Right. Yeah.
What is the primary challenge in benefits sustainment? Now, tell me, what is the primary challenge to sustain benefits after their transition?
Change. C.
Yes. C, Charlie, organizational resistance to change. Right?
Yeah.
Rafael, agree to Charlie? Rafael, Prashant, do you agree to Charlie?
Prashant is.
I think, there are some issues going on at Abu Dhabi. Prashant is there, right? So to say. Prashant, are things okay at Abu Dhabi? Because I heard that some firing,
Yeah.
right? By Israel, right? No, by Iran, sorry. Right? At your place also.
Yeah, even though in Dubai as well.
In Dubai also. Wherever US base is there, they have done it. Right?
Yep.
So I was shocked to see vessel, because I was in an impression that Dubai, Abu Dhabi, even Doha, they're a very safe place. I've been to all these places, right? Except Abu Dhabi. So, Doha is very pleasant and very calm place. So they have not spread.
Am audible?
Yes,
Are
Prashant.
you safe? All safe now?
Yes. I just, this morning I arrived Delhi. I'm in Delhi. We'll be there.
Okay,
We'll be here for 20 days.
No, it's good to be in Delhi now, right?
Yes, it's good to be in Delhi. Yeah.
Risky. Now, tell me, guys, what is now we were talking about primary challenge in benefit sustainment. So, do you agree with C, Charlie? Is it fine, guys? Which tool is commonly used to measure benefit realization?
Benefit realization issue log is not there. Stakeholder metrics, I think we can also
No.
remove.
Balance scorecard. B.
Yeah.
B.
Yes, we can use balance scorecard, right? I showed you a scorecard yesterday, right? Or last week.
Yes.
Now, what role does executive sponsor play in benefits management?
I believe C, Charlie.
Yes, Charlie, right? This is the role of an executive sponsor, providing strategic direction and oversight. Right? Absolutely. What is the main objective of benefits transition phase, guys?
Benefit transition phase.
Integrate benefits into business operations.
Absolutely.
See.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Charlie. What happens during benefits sustainment phase?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alpha. Absolutely. Good. Why is stakeholder engagement critical in benefits management? Though we have not done program stakeholder engagement, but you can answer based on the project stakeholder management.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Tell me.
Bravo.
B.
B is.
Absolutely bravo. Right. What is the major risk in benefit realization?
C. No, efficient
B.
resource.
Bravo.
B.
B. Bravo.
Do you all agree? See, in a volatile business environment, can there be changing business priorities?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So be bravo.
Right.
Who is primarily responsible for benefits management in the program?
Program manager.
Program manager, right? Right? Be bravo. Is that okay?
Yep.
Now, see, there is another program on program management called as Managing Successful Programs from Excelos, right? Now, in that particular course, now responsibility of program management is program manager, but for benefits management, there is a separate role called as business change manager, right? Who is more from the operation or functional side, right? Business change manager is more like a product manager or a product owner, right? Who understand the business, right? So they have given this role, benefits management, to that particular role, right?
Yeah.
But yes, for PgMP, it's a program manager. What is the key input to benefit identification?
Baseline. Okay.
Business case.
Business case, yeah, baseline.
Right? Business case, right?
Mm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now, this is slightly tricky actually. Business case is also input to benefit identification, but even to create a business case, you need benefits, right?
Yeah.
Right.
That's why I'm saying that, okay, baseline, right?
The baseline,
But yes.
but there is no option baseline here, right? Right? So, this is slightly tricky. And probably this particular question will not come in PGMP exam because with such ambiguity, they don't give the question, right? How can organizations ensure long-term benefit realization?
B. Regularly measure performance
Bravo.
against KPI.
Yeah.
Bravo, right? Bravo. Is that okay?
Yes.
What is the relationship between benefits and program success?
B.
Bravo, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
bravo.
Which tool helps track whether program benefits are being realized over time?
Sorry.
ठीक है.
B.
Bravo.
Bravo. How does benefit management differ from project management?
B.
Absolutely. Is it bravo?
Bravo.
Yeah.
Which of the following best define benefit sustainment in program management? Now, Conceptual question, direct question, but important. You should answer it correct, right?
Bravo.
Bravo, I think.
Bravo, right? Because after program close, see, benefit sustainment ensure that benefits are sustained after the program closure, right?
Monitor performance of benefits and
Now,
ensure.
you have to understand one thing, guys, right? Whenever you do transition, right? Whenever you do any kind of transition, right? Any transition has three stages, right? I'm just talking about it. See, tell me, any transition, right? Any transition will have three stages involved. Now, these stages are pre-transition, transition, and post-transition, right? Yes or no? Now, I just expect one thing from you, right? Now, these three steps will be there with projects as well as program. See, when I talk about pre-transition, right? Transition or post-transition, right? These three steps or these three activities can be done in the context of project also, right? And in the context of program also, right? Now, first, see, tell me in the context of program, then we'll talk about context of project. In the context of program, what is post-transition? Is it benefit sustainment or not? Right? Post-transition means after the closure, right? After the program benefits transition. Would it be this, right? And transition will be actual transition, right? The consolidated benefits, right? And pre-transition, tell me, will you do some preparation for transition or not?
Yes.
Yes.
All will be included in preparation for transition.
Yeah.
Knowledge sharing documents, handovers, initial support, right? All this will be there.
Yes.
Right? So pre-transition is preparation, then you enact transition, right? And then post-transition for a program is more like a sustainment, right? Benefit sustainment. Yes or no, Atul?
Yes.
Rafael, do you agree with this or not? Rafael, are you following this?
Yes.
Right? And Prashant, are you following pre-transition, transition, and post-transition? Now, I have told about these three stages in the context of program. Now, can any one of you tell me these three stages in the context of project?
You mean to say process?
See, in the case of project, there will be a pre-transition.
Right.
Now, pre-transition for a project, you see, for any project or a program, pre-transition is more like preparation, right?
Yeah, initiation
Yes.
we can say.
So that proper handover happens, right?
Yeah.
And then handover process is enactment of transition.
Yeah.
After this transition, the project is closed, right? Yes or
Right.
no?
Yes.
After the transition is handover, project is closed,
Right.
So post-transition will include what? The post-project period.
Yes. I mean operation time we can say.
So this will include product support, SLAs, and all those agreements.
Right. Yeah.
Now I just want to say this. This is outside project, right? After closure, but if a project is part of the program, right? If projects are the part of program, the project level post-transition will fall under program.
Right. Yeah.
Right? Is that okay? So, are you following? Are you able to infer whatever I'm trying to say?
I'm having some difficulty with Zoom meeting. It's kicking me out. Twice or thrice it happened with me. But other portals are working for me, Google and everything.
Maybe because of security issue or what? Are you using personal laptop?
No, I'm using office laptop.
Yeah, that's
I
the
have to
reason,
turn
bro.
on security setting.
Okay, it's kicking me out every time.
Then you should not install the Zoom, right? You immediately go joining via web, then it will help. अगर आपने Zoom install किया है, then there may be possibility your internal
No,
organization.
workspace is popping up. No, after putting my details, the next step is workspace is popping up and taking me to this portal. This screen sharing. So, are you suggesting to go to the web based login? Okay.
Or
Okay.
else, Prashant, do you have your personal laptop also?
No, personal laptop I did not carry. I left it there only. I cannot carry two laptops.
But your family is also here, right? So your wife's laptop or your son's laptop, you can use that in the interim.
Okay. Yeah, I will try. I will figure out how I can make it happen for me. So pre-transition, transition you explained. Post-transition you explained. I understood. Transition is what we are transitioning to operations, and post is what the sustainment period is, right? The
So
pre-transition, what does that mean?
pre-transition is preparation, right? Tell me, should you prepare for transition or not?
Yeah, I prepare the transition plan
Ah.
at the delivery stage.
So the transition plan is prepared in pre-transition.
So pre-transition, I believe it is happen in planning phase only, right?
Yeah, it's a preparation, right?
Yeah.
The preparation, right?
So
And
during
then this is actual transition, and this is post-transition. My main emphasis is, right, Prashant. I think you are not there, so this pre-transition, transition, and post-transition, they happen at a project level also and a program level also, right?
Yes, yes.
And at program level, you have correctly said post-transition is a sustainment, right? Now, if these three steps happen at a pre-transition, transition, and post-transition, if they happen at project level, the post-transition will be after closure of the project. The post-transition is a closure of after the closure of the project, because when the
Yes, sustainment plan, engagement of the operation, handing over to them, SLA, risk, everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a post-transition part, which will include the closure and as well as the sustainment period.
But this will be falling under the program life cycle, right?
Yes.
Right. So when the project transition happens, right? When the transition is signed off, everything is handed over to operations, right? Then there will be separate agreement for long-term product support, right?
In sustainment plan.
No. See, I'm talking about, forget about sustainment. We are talking about project. Right? Forget about program.
Okay.
See, think only from project's perspective.
Okay.
A project is handovered when transition is signed off, right? Now the project goes to whom? The operations team.
Yes.
Operations team will take over the project. They will manage project from the operational, right? The operations team will manage the benefits of the project, right? So there will be a separate product support agreement or an operational level agreement, right? Now this is outside the project, but within the program, right?
Okay.
Right. This is a post transition for project, but not a post transition for a program.
I understand. We are talking about project only here. Sorry, I got you wrong here. I understood about program. I was explaining about the program.
Yeah, right. So these three steps will be there in both project and program, right? But again, context is different, right? In the program life cycle, you have to go through all these steps for multiple projects, right? Is that okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Now, we have completed this question, right? Which of the following best define benefit sustainment in the program? So it should be Bravo, right?
Right.
Right. Now,
yes.
Who is primarily responsible for ensuring benefits are sustained after program closure? Benefits owner, right? Now,
what key
document is used to track benefits and sustainment effort?
Realization plan?
Yeah, benefit realization plan, right? Which of the following is not a challenge in benefit sustainment?
Bravo?
No, this is, see,
No, sorry.
A.
Sorry. Is
A.
not a challenge in benefit system.
see, I'll tell you, the change might be required, right? Sustain benefits, right?
What about A? A? No, lack
It's
of.
required because support from executives is also a requirement.
Yeah.
See, for sustainment, continuous stakeholder engagement, right, is not a challenge, right? Because sustainment will be impacted by everything. Primarily it will be impacted by lack of executive sponsorship, change in the organizational priorities, right, and limited resource allocation, right, from the perspective of the program, right. This is from the perspective of program, right? Because
Yeah.
when the benefit sustainment activity starts, program management is no more there, right? Is program management there when benefit sustainment starts, right? No. What is the role of transition plan in benefits sustainment?
A.
Absolutely. Is it alpha? Alpha, guys?
Yeah.
What is primary objective of benefits delivery in program management? This is simple, right? This is simple, guys.
B. Bravo.
B.
Yeah.
Bravo, right? Okay. Which document provides a structured approach to benefits delivery?
Structure approach. Program
C.
charter.
B. Bravo.
B. B.
Perfect. See, benefits approach. See, you can call it benefit management.
It's a different answer. Which document provide a structured approach to benefit delivery? It's a benefit realization plan.
Yeah, this is what we said, right? Benefit. No, it's not charter. It's benefit.
Charter.
Yeah.
So, did we say charter?
No.
No, we said benefit.
Benefit realization plan. Yeah.
See, this is approach to manage, right?
Right.
You can remember it's the rules of the game for managing benefits, right? What is the key characteristic of effective benefit delivery?
B.
B. Bravo.
Yes, be bravo. What role does governance play in benefit delivery? What
A.
role? Absolutely, A alpha.
Yeah,
Right?
alpha.
Now, how can a program manager ensures benefits are delivered successfully?
I believe B.
Do you all agree? B bravo?
Bravo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? Don't compare it with a sustainment question, right? Because sustainment activities they happen after the program is closed, right? There was similar question, right? Where we
Yeah.
so you can realize the difference, Atul, right?
Yes.
Because we rejected this option there, right?
Alpha.
It was sustainment, right? That's why.
Yeah.
Now, what is primary purpose of benefit register in program management?
Alpha.
Yeah, alpha.
Alpha. Which of the following key elements is typically included in benefits register? Now tell me, what was there? Easy.
B.
Bravo.
Bravo. Absolutely bravo. Yes. How does benefit management plan support program success?
Alpha.
Alpha.
Perfect. Which of the following best describes the relationship between benefit register and benefit management plan?
Alpha.
Yeah.
Right. Who is primarily responsible for maintaining benefits register?
Program manager.
Right. Now, again, there's a difference. I told you in managing successful programs, it's business change manager, right? Not program manager. What is a critical success factor in maintaining an accurate benefit register? See, but I personally feel, if it's a big program, if it's a big program manager has a lot of things to do. So for benefit register, there should be a dedicated benefits manager, right? Because programs are so much focused on, right?
Generally, I believe this is the responsibility of program manager, but program manager itself hires somebody to do it within the team. Yeah.
So there should be a role, right? Dedicated.
Yeah, dedicated. Yes. Like we can say that risk register. So we have a team, right? Generally, that is the responsibility for the project manager. Like change manager, like we have. So we have a separate team for change manager. In Infosys, when I was there was a separate team for the risk management.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is a critical success factor in maintaining an accurate benefit register?
A.
Alpha? Yes, A, alpha.
Yeah.
In benefits management plan, how is benefits realization typically measured?
A.
So do you?
Alpha.
Alpha, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it important to update the benefits register throughout the program life cycle?
Alpha. Yeah.
Simple question, right? What is the primary purpose of a benefit map in project management?
B.
Perfect.
Yeah. B. Bravo.
Yeah. 48. Which of the following is a key component of a benefit map? Right. We saw.
C. Which of the following is the key component of benefit map?
I think.
C.
Yes. We saw, right? When you say, benefits map, it actually links outputs, outcomes, benefits, and strategy, right? And as I told you, you can read it left to right also, right? In a bottom-up fashion. For example, projects leading to outcomes contributing to benefits, and benefits contributing to strategy. And you can do a top-down approach also. Suppose I have to achieve these strategic objectives. To achieve these